So students, now you have seen how to set up your system before starting the examination. Now I will show you how to check whether your webcam and audio are working properly or not. Now open your Google Chrome and go to URL column and type this link ASSESS dot com slash CHECK hyphen system. This link is given in your manual also. So check all the spellings before you click on enter and then click enter. Now it will check whether your system is working properly or not. Here all the uh, columns should be tick mark. Now on the right side column it will show load your video. It means that your webcam is properly working. Now click on check audio and speak something and it will check for your audio and it will show tick mark. It means that your audio is also working fine. Now open new tab, close all the other tabs and then type this link CoCubes dot in slash KL online ONLINE. So this is the link for you to take the examination. So check for all the spellings. It should be cocubes.in slash KL online and then click on enter. When you click on enter, this is how you will get the page. Here you have to enter your candidate ID. So for example, my candidate ID is 111 Now I will enter my name and I will enter my email ID and I will enter my mobile number and then I will enter my application ID. Now, now if you want to take physics, chemistry and maths, select PCM. If you want to take physics, chemistry and biology, select PCB. So now I am selecting PCM and enter the passkey for PCM only. Do not enter the different passkey. Now my passkey is 53928 Now you have to click on start assessment. Let's say if you are entering any wrong passkey, when you click on start assessment, it will say your passkey is invalid. Let's say your passkey is correct, but your application ID is wrong. When you try to click on start test, please verify the provided information. This is the error that you will be getting. Now, if your candidate ID is not correct, when you click on start assessment, it will say that your assessment is not scheduled. So, before you start the assessment, double check your candidate ID, your application ID, your passkey. Now click on start assessment. Your assessment will load. Here you have to click on agree and read all the instructions carefully and click on start now. Now here you have to click your picture. If your picture is not captured clearly, it will not enable the proceed button. So before you click your picture, check whether your image is clear or not. Now the image is captured clearly. Click on proceed. Now your test paper will load. Click on enable full screen. Here you can see your test paper. And if you want to read the instructions anytime, on the top right side corner you have expand button. Here you can read the instructions again. And after answering the questions, you can scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see submit and logout button. So when you click on submit and logout button, here it will show the summary whether you have attended all the questions or not. If you have not attempted any question, it will show. If you want to submit, click on submit. If you want to visit back, click on no wait. So I have completed the test I will click on yes, submit. Now the test has successfully submitted. There might be cases where there is internet failure while you're taking the assessment. Do not panic in such cases. Your experience will not be hampered. Your assessment will continue. Your timer will continue. So keep continuing with the flow. If your internet is back by the time your exam is completed, all your answers will be saved. If your internet is not back by the time your timer runs down to zero, system will automatically try to submit. If the internet is not back, then in that case it will show the instructions on the page itself how to do submit the examination paper. Follow those instructions and there won't be any issues. Thank you.